So hi friends, I received this package from Cubelelo and I'm really excited because this is a new partnership with them and let's see how it goes. This is the package I received from Cubelelo. I'm gonna unbox this and show you guys what is inside. So yeah. Okay. It's not the most easiest box to open sometimes. So I have to like cut it properly and then I have to find a way to cut this. Oh, okay, perfect. I think I found it. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna open the box. This is how the box looks from inside. Ta-ta. Ta-ta. So we have some lubes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically keep everything over here and then show you guys one by one. Okay, so we have the lubes. We have some Cubelelo pouches. We have some stands, some stickers, the cube cover, below that. Okay, and then we have two of the apparels. Okay guys, so I'm gonna keep my camera over here and show you guys how it is and what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the clothes afterwards. First, I'm gonna show you. So I have this Cubelelo cover. It's basically for your cubes and everything. Perfect. And then I have some really cute pouches. I can make a cube pouch out of this. So I'm gonna open one of them to show you guys. Okay. It's such a good quality pouch. Wow. Perfect. I have a few of them over here. Perfect. I received the premium lubes from Cubelelo. It's the Nucleus, it's the Classic and Velocity. Perfect. And then I have this, which is the standard lubes, which is basically your Swift, your Storm, Breeze, Calm, and Hurricane. Calm is turned upside down, but no worries, it's good. Perfect. Some Cubelelo stands. So that's all for the technical stuff. I'm gonna keep it over there. Okay, obviously the badge. Lovely. Now I'm gonna unbox the packet of my shirt. So yeah, let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have the Cubelelo shirt. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys that in a wide angle camera. Okay, this is the Cubelelo shirt. Perfect. And if you turn this upside down, it has my name. That's lovely. Okay, now that's the shirt. And then we have the Speedcuber pouch, the hoodie. Let's open the hoodie. This is the hoodie from Cubelelo. Lovely. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys is the hoodie. This is the hoodie I got from from Cubelelo. Lovely. And then this also has my name. So guys, that's all for the order. Okay. I sealed this order and now I'm gonna focus. And then we have these really beautiful stickers. It's lovely. So guys, yes, I received all of this stuff. Thank you Cubelelo for sponsoring, and have a nice day.